Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I share useful tips and tricks based on basic HubSpot features. And for today's video, I would like to talk about how to investigate on your workflow changes. So what I mean by that is either you're a new HubSpot admin that try to understand what happened in a specific workflow, or you are a lot of person working with the same automation and at some point you realize that a workflow is having some issues or is not delivering correctly its purpose. Today, I would like to show you how to investigate on that specific issue. So just so you know, if you click on View Performance, you will have like a review of everything that's happening with like the performance, the number of contact and roles, the estimated unique contact and role, and the enrollment in the last 7 days. If you have some issues, they will appear here, and you can find the different actions, logs, and enrollment history by clicking here to investigate exactly what's happening with all the contacts or companies or deals enrolling in this specific workflow. So now let's say you see a lot of issues happening or the performance are not quite where they are supposed to be. The only thing you need to do is to click on View Revision History, and you will be able to see exactly who at what time did what on this specific workflow. I'm alone on this portal, so all the user change are from my end, but let's say here you want to see how the workflow looked like on December 19. You just click here and you will see the version that was live at that specific date. But when we come back to the current version, we can see that I had a 2-minute delays that we didn't see on the review history. So just by crawling on the revision history, you will be able to exactly see what happened, so it will help you troubleshoot your current workflows. It was a very short tips, but I hope it was useful. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up to this video and to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to deeper your knowledge of HubSpot workflow, I'll let you find on the description below a link to my free workflow library named the Workflow Box, a list of useful workflow you can copy paste to your portal. It was Greg, I wish you a nice day and see you soon.